Are you ready to take your CapCut videos to the next level with eye-catching picture collages? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of building a custom collage that will make your edits pop, whether you're creating for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or just sharing with friends and family. By the end, you'll know exactly how to import your media, arrange your images, and polish your project for a professional, dynamic result. Let's get started. First up is preparing your media. Open up CapCut and start a new project. Think of this as setting up your digital canvas, ready to tell your story. You'll want to bring in all the photos and video clips you plan to use. You can do this by clicking Import in the upper corner. Or, if you're feeling confident, just drag and drop your files straight onto the timeline. Don't worry if you're not sure about which photos to use yet. You can always swap them out or rearrange as you go. Having a good mix of horizontal and vertical images can help fill your collage in creative ways. Next comes arranging and resizing your collage. Drag your main video clip into the primary video track, which is like laying down the base for your collage. If you're using only images, just pick one as the background. Now, the images you want to feature in your collage go into separate overlay tracks. These appear above your main video. What's great about overlays is that each photo sits independently, so you can fine-tune their position and sizing just how you want. Select an image layer, and you'll see handles pop up on the preview screen. These let you resize and move the photo until it's perfectly placed. Imagine you're creating a scrapbook, deciding which picture goes where to best tell your story. Remember to adjust the length of each image on the timeline too. This controls how long it stays visible on screen. So if you want a quick burst of photos, keep them short. For slower reveals, drag those clips a bit longer. Take your time here and play until it feels balanced. Now, let's customize your collage for a truly integrated look. Select any image layer and go up to the mask option in the top right menu. This tool lets you shape your pictures into circles, hearts, or other creative forms, instead of just the usual rectangles. Once you pick a mask shape, use the controls to tweak its size and move it exactly where you want it on your collage. The feather slider is especially helpful. It softens the mask's edges so the transitions between photos look seamless and natural, rather than harsh. Think about how magazine collages gently blend images together. Feathering gives you that same smoothness. Repeat this masking process for each image, creating fun overlaps and unique designs. Don't worry if it feels fiddly. This part might take a few moments, but your patience will pay off in a more polished, professional collage. With your collage assembled, it's time to finalize and export. Select all your image layers, and the background layer if you used one. Right-click and create a compound clip. This step is like grouping all your collage pieces together, so you can apply editing tweaks like brightness or contrast to everything at once. Super handy if your photos have slightly different lighting. Next, check your aspect ratio by clicking the Ratio button. If you're posting on Instagram, for instance, you'll want a square. TikTok prefers vertical. Matching the ratio here ensures your final collage fits perfectly wherever it's posted. You can also add stylish transitions between clips by dragging your favorite effects from the transitions library and dropping them onto the timeline. It's a nice finishing touch that helps everything flow smoothly. Once you're happy with how your collage looks, click Export in the top right corner and save your video. It's that simple. Give yourself a pat on the back. Picture collages can seem tricky, but with a few careful steps in CapCut, you're making your edits truly stand out. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own collage creations. I love seeing what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.